role, assistant, reasoning_content, the user requests a translation of the entire script. They specifically want the script translated into Hindi, keeping the markers dot, etc. unchanged. The user only included dot in their snippet. Wait, they have dot, but no doc. The user says translate that entire script. The snippet contains only those sections. Should we add the missing markers? The user text, translate this entire true crime script to Hindi. Keep markers unchanged. Translate naturally and completely. Do not skip, shorten, or summarize any sections. The translation must be at least 132 words long. Translate every single sentence. They have provided the whole script. Let's read above. Provides only. No other sections. That seems incomplete. But likely they cut out the rest but want translation of those given. They want to keep the markers unchanged. So we need to translate only what's given and ensure the markers remain in, and we should preserve the markers exactly. So translation of the content between them into Hindi must be at least 132 words. Let's count approximate word count. The given text, let's copy. Na child scream shattered a peaceful night in 1996, echoing through 60-meter-high rooms of a Colorado house. JonBenet Ramsey, 9, vanished. Her father found a bruised body on the floor. No keyhole damage. No getaway vehicle. And the autopsy revealed strangulation and a shoe in her mouth, an odd detail. Police logged 20 candidates, including family members. The case yielded little physical evidence. Courtrooms turned into tabloid tribunals, each slam of judges' gavel-writing headlines. And despite multiple trials, the juries declared the defendant unknown. The final verdict was simply unknown. And the world watched a mystery unfold, spanning over 2 decades, and still, the killer is a ghost in the house, and now the name of suspect, Miller, Hart, or another, keeps swirling. And which theory do you find most convincing? Drop your thoughts below. And let's count words. A child's scream shattered a peaceful night in 1996, echoing through 60-meter-high rooms of a Colorado house. That's about 20 words. The rest about 70 se 80. So total around 110 words maybe. We need at least 132 words. So we can add some translation context or maybe provide translation plus some extra commentary. But we cannot add missing content beyond translation. User says translate naturally and completely, meaning include everything original. The translation must be at least 132 words. But maybe the word count of Hindi translation might be higher because Hindi words differ. Hindi might have shorter words. Let's estimate. The Hindi translation may be similar or slightly longer. We can possibly include the instructions about markers. But they ask to keep markers unchanged. So we might add an ellipsis. No, and better include the translation into Hindi, preserving markers. Word count may exceed 132. Let's produce translation in Hindi. We must ensure not to include additional non-translated commentary. But maybe the user expects at least 132 words of Hindi text. We'll produce translation of each sentence. The Hindi translation likely longer than the English original, each 60 meter high, 60 meter high, 60 meter high, maybe 60 meter unche, etc. Let's compile. And we will write एक बच्चे की चीख ने 1996 की शांत रात को तोड़ दिया, कोलोराडो के एक घर के 60 मीटर ऊंचे कमरों में गूंजते हुए। जॉन बेनेट रैमसी, 9 वर्षीय, गायब हो गई। उसके पिता ने फर्श पर एक चोटिल शरीर पाया। न कोई कुंजीछेद क्षति, न कोई पने वाली गाड़ी। ऑटोपसी ने तनाव, अलगाव, गला घोंटना और उसके मुंह में एक जूता, एक अजीब सा विवरण उजागर किया। पुलिस ने 20 उम्मीदवारों को दर्ज किया, जिनमें परिवार के सदस्य भी शामिल थे। इस मामले में भौतिक साक्ष्य बहुत कम मिला। कानूनिक कक्ष टैब्लॉइड न्यायालयों में बदल गए, जहां जज के गैल, जज का हथौड़ा के प्रत्येक धमाके से सिरलेख लिखे जाते थे। कई मुकदमों के बावजूद जूरी ने प्रतिवादी को अज्ञात घोषित किया। अंतिम फैसला केवल इतना था, अज्ञात। दुनिया ने एक रहस्य को 2 दशकों से भी अधिक समय तक अनफोल्ड होते देखा, और अभी भी हत्यारा उस घर में एक भूत सा बना हुआ है। अब संदिग्ध का नाम मिलर, हार्ट या कोई और बेतहाशा घूमता रहा है। कौन सी सैद्धांतिक व्याख्या आपको सबसे विश्वसनीय लगती है? अपनी विचारों को नीचे छोड़े। We need word count 132. Let's count roughly. In Hindi, maybe 110 words. Let's approximate. एक बच्चे की चीख ने 1996 की शांत रात को तोड़ दिया, कोलोराडो के एक घर के 60 मीटर ऊंचे कमरों में गूंजते हुए। That's about 22 words. Next, जॉन बेनेट रैमसी, 9 वर्षीय, गायब हो गई। उसके पिता ने फर्श पर एक चोटिल शरीर पाया। न कोई कुंजीछेद क्षति, न कोई पने वाली गाड़ी। About 25 words. Next, ऑटोपसी ने तनाव, अलगाव, गला घोंटना और उसके मुंह में एक जूता, एक अजीब सा विवरण उजागर किया। About 20 words. Next, पुलिस ने 20 उम्मीदवारों को दर्ज किया, जिनमें परिवार के सदस्य भी शामिल थे। इस मामले में भौतिक साक्ष्य बहुत कम मिला। 25 words. Next, कानूनिक कक्ष टैब्लॉइड न्यायालयों में बदल गए, जहां जज के गैल, जज का हथौड़ा के प्रत्येक धमाके से सिरलेख लिखे जाते थे। 25 words. Next, कई मुकदमों के बावजूद जूरी ने प्रतिवादी को अज्ञात घोषित किया। अंतिम फैसला केवल इतना था, अज्ञात। Maybe 20 words. Some 150 words. Good. And additionally, conclusion, दुनिया ने एक रहस्य को 2 दशकों, टूल अंडरस्कोर कॉल्स